When it comes to keeping your windshield clear during heavy rain, Rain-X and Turtle Wax are two of the most popular choices. Both promise improved visibility by making water bead up and roll off your glass. Here's a breakdown of how they perform, what they excel at, where they fall short, and whether Rain-X really works. Rain-X creates a thin, water-repelling layer on your windshield. This makes rain form small drops that slide off easily, helping you see more clearly and drive safely in any weather. Rain-X improves water beading and visibility when applied to clean, dry glass. However, it fades over time and needs reapplication. If the glass is not cleaned properly, it would not work well. It's meant for glass surfaces only, like windshields and windows. Turtle Wax has a Clearview rain repellent that works much like Rain-X. Many users say it gives similar results, helping rain roll off the windshield easily. Some even think it works better if the glass is clean before applying. Overall, both brands are trusted and do a good job of improving visibility in the rain. Rain-X has been around longer and has earned the trust of many users for its reliable performance. However, Turtle Wax also works well and for some people, delivers results that are just as good or even better when applied properly. Some tests show that Rain-X does not last as long as high-end alternatives, and Turtle Wax's rain repellent seems to have a similar lifespan. Both products work well at first, but may need to be reapplied after some time to maintain their effectiveness. Both Rain-X and Turtle Wax are easy to apply, but proper glass preparation is essential. If the windshield is not thoroughly cleaned before applying, neither product will perform well, and the water-repelling effect may not last long. The price and availability of Rain-X and Turtle Wax can vary depending on your local market. It's best to choose the one that's easier to find and offers better local support or service. Both products are usually affordable, so availability may be the deciding factor. Rain-X offers a wider range of related products, such as washer fluids and wiper blades, which can be useful if you prefer using compatible items from the same brand. Many people still prefer Rain-X because it's been trusted for years, but newer brands like Turtle Wax are becoming popular and work just as well. If you want a trusted and proven option, Rain-X is a safe choice that has been reliable for years. However, if price matters or Turtle Wax is easier to find locally, it can work just as well as long as the glass is properly cleaned before applying. In the end, the biggest difference comes down to how well you prepare and maintain the surface, rather than which brand you choose.